Hello everyone. Today's topic is enterprise structure. This is the enterprise structure or organizational structure. So, what is enterprise structure? There is an organizational structure that represents how company is organized in SAP and why we create it to map the real business organization in SAP and ensure smooth execution of business process. Now, what is a company? Company is highest organizational unit in FI. What is company code? It is an independent legal accounting entity, plant, manufacturing or production or storage unit. Storage location, specific place within a plant where materials are stored. Purchase organization, unit responsible for procurement of materials or service. Now, what is a purchase group? A buyer or a group of buyers responsible for procurement activities. Now we will understand a client. Client creation and client level system settings are handled by the SAP Basis team, not by the functional consultants. So, a functional consultants only use the client. They don't create it. And the client is the highest organizational unit in SAP, while a company is highest organizational unit in FI. So we discuss what is enterprise structure. An enterprise structure is the organizational structure that represent how the company is organized in SAP. How to check the client number? A client number is visible on the login screen or in the system status. Why we create enterprise structure? We create enterprise structure to map the real business organizational unit in SAP and ensure a smooth execution of business process, or we create enterprise structure to organize, control and run business operation efficiently in SAP. After creating the enterprise structure, we need to assign it. Assign company code to company, assign plant to company code, assign purchase organization to company code, assign standard purchase organization to plant, assign purchase organization to plant, and these are T codes, transactional codes. What is assignment and why assignment is needed? So what is assignment? It is the process of connecting one object with another. For example, assigning company code to plant, plant to storage location, purchase organization to company code. And why assignment is needed? Assignment because SAP needs to know which unit belongs to which, so the system can run properly during purchasing, sales, inventory, etc. So now we will enter into the configuration part and start creating a company. Before company creation, we will learn about the TR. What is transport request? Means a TR. Transport request is like a container that holds all the changes or configurations you make in SAP. It keeps your changes organized, tracked and safe. Why we create a transport request? We create a transport request to save our configuration and move it safely from dev to quality and production. Dev means a development. TR works like a box that store all our changes. Without a TR, our changes will never reach quality or production. A transport request flow. Transport request flow, a development, quality, and then production. It goes from the development system to testing and finally to live the system. The first box is development. Here consultants work and make configuration or development changes. Whenever we save any change, SAP store it inside a transport request. So the TR starts from the development system. Okay, TR starts from a development system. The next box is QAS quality. After the TR released in development, the basis team transport it to QAS. Here we test all the changes. We check if everything is working correctly or not. Then a production. Once testing is successful in QAS, the TR is moved to production. This is the live system where real business users work. So the complete flow is dev to QAS and QAS to production, which means it goes from the development system to testing and finally to the live system. When we create TR, we create a TR whenever we save our SAP configuration or any changes during the company creation process. So that's it for today. Thank you.